Hello everybody, my name is Smojo. Welcome back to Sons of the Forest. So in the last episode, I went and I got the shotgun. Let me get away from this music for a second. I went and I got the shotgun. And then I got the slingshot. And the shovel. And the fire axe. So yeah, the last video was quite productive, actually. In this video, I think I'm going to just go over to the caves that I have not been in yet. And I'm not sure what's in them or not, but I also need to start farming ammo because I am very low. But yeah, I moved down into this bunker because I don't think that cannibals can get in here. And it's starting to get pretty hard to defend, but I also built this whole up here area. It's got I got sticks all the way around it with rocks, so it's pretty sturdy. And this is pretty much where just Kelvin lives. And then I got this whole area here. Kelvin's just hanging out. I don't really need you to do anything right now. So I'm gonna try to see if I can't farm up some ammo. Oh, also down there it has a 3D printer, so I can make my arrows and stuff down there. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go up to where my old base was. Actually, I'm gonna fill up my flask first because it's kind of a long walk. But I got a key card last episode as well, so I'm gonna go up where I used to live, where that 3D printer was, and see what's behind that locked door. At least that's the plan for now. And then while I'm up here, I might as well go to that super far green circle and see what that's about. Bunny. I have no idea what's back there. It could be anything for all I know. I mean, it sounds like an absolute party. Yes, I do have the right one. Give me a flashlight. Oh, it's a gym. Hell yeah. Oh, hell no. Oh my god, it saw me already. Oh god, I didn't even see that. Oh, it's a gym of horrors. Okay. Let's just calm down here. Do I have any ammo on you? I have absolutely no idea. I will find out. Oh god, I don't. Well, looks like it's good old-fashioned archery season. Oh my god! Stop running at me like that, you... Oh my god. Oh, I got stuck! Do me a favor and die. Oh god, I have a terrible shot. There's no more bullets. Not bullets, but there's axe, or... You know what I'm trying to say. There was no more arrows. Jesus Christ, your combos make no sense. Yeah, eat that. Eat all of that. Okay. I'm gonna have to come here daily, start getting swole. These cannibals won't know. Ew. These cannibals won't know what hit them. There are so many of you. And I have no ammo. Oh, this looks nice. Other than all the freaking cannibals that have invaded it. These are like sensory deprivation chambers. Okay, there was another way back that way, but I'm gonna come over. What is that? Is that one of those, like, conjoined twin things? Yep, it is. I hate you! Can you even fit through here? I don't think you can. One for good measure. Now I'm gonna take your butt skin so that I can make armor out of it. Nothing personal, it's not weird or anything. It's just that's the strongest part of the body. This place is huge. What am I getting stuck on? Part of me is saying that I want to move my base to here, but another more accurate part is saying that I would have to deal with those things every single time I want to leave. Well, unless it comes out somewhere nice. Oh. That's no way to cheat a musician. Man, he must have sucked if they shoved his guitar down his throat. Man, these people were loaded. Man, once I get off this island, I'm gonna have so much cash. Nice, love the coins. I can make bombs now. A guitar? Oh, hell yeah. Oh. Well, what is this thing's damage compared to an axe? Where is it? Where do I keep my guitar? There it is. Okay, yeah, it's got bad stats. It is cool, though. I will play that in my spare time. Okay, I'm not gonna go in there just yet. I want to see what's back here. More stacks on stacks. Oh, and drugs. Hell yeah. And I hear something crawling around. What's up, guys? Ooh. Okay, I got another key card. Yeah, I might as well just pop those. So how did all these guys die? Because they seem like they're in a fairly safe location underground. At least I would think it would be safer than anywhere else on the island. Yes, ammo. Praise be the ammo. I'm gonna put you... Well, I'll switch you out with the pistol right now, because... I said I will switch you out with the pistol right now. I have 3 shots, but that's plenty. Oh, another shotgun rail. So this other keycard, I can probably go down in that... Oh, hi, guys. Have you met Shotgun? Shotgun wants to hit you. That didn't hit you? Stop it. Being ridiculous. Just calm down. Calm down. Throwing the beat. Ah! Ooh! I didn't even see that. I was just spamming E. Alright, nice. Now I can cut trees down way more effectively. More babies. Get out of here. I'm not ready to be a father. Hello over there. Hey, don't walk away from me. I'm trying to talk to you. Put on a shirt, lady. Don't defend your wife. She's mine. trying to run away. When will they learn? All of your belongings belong to me. Ooh, nice ammo. See, you guys don't even have a shotgun, so how are you expecting to use ammo with no shotgun? Even trying to hide some on me, eh? Everyone's gotta pay their taxes. Whoa! Jeez Louise! Oh, this guy's their warrior, evidently. Oh, no! Oh, is that your arm? Oh, that's unfortunate. Give me your skin sack. Not snack, I don't eat skin. Oh no. Whoa, sneak attack. See, and that's just what you get. I took an arm and a leg from you. Just take a little dirt out of the metal. There we are. What is under here? Maintenance B. Alright, sweet. Up. Come on, you gotta heave it. Huh. You gotta heave it harder, come on. Ah, there we are. We're so strong. Ooh! Compound bow! I don't know if I like these sounds. It sounds like something's from... What the hell is that? Oh, I'm a badass. Dude, you fool. Are you the dude who kicked me at the beginning?
Down, son.
What's up, guys? No! Oh, that's the guy from the beginning. Oh, God. Well, I in no way expected this. Where'd my new friends go? Right? Yeah, I didn't take it. Well, I picked a bad time. Hold on, please. Hold on. Ouch. I've never seen you before. And this is how you want to meet? Oh my God. Ah. Hold on. Give me a second. I need to get my bow out. And then play the range key. Not this bow. This bow. Gross. You're creepy. You're gross. You're ugly. I don't like you. I need you to calm down. Now listen. You have a nice long think about what you've done wrong here today. I'm just gonna take a little bit of your skin right from your ass. And we're good. Continue on. Oh, right in your spine. Alright, calm down, sir. I will remove the problem area. Good news, you're cured. Sir? Oh. Well, I guess you received the permanent cure. Alright, now that spider dude is... Ah, babies! Okay, now that the babies are gone. That's probably important for something. That breathing sounds like it's getting closer. Golf balls. Can I have a golf club? Where did you come from? I don't have ammo for these. Alright, just die. Make this easier on the both of us. There we go. Is this all you do all day? Just wander around in the dark? You should be begging me to kill you. That's a terrible, boring life. Ramen. Ramen. Well, this guy was normal. There she is! The beauty that I've been searching for. Oh, what did I do to deserve this? Golden armor? Oh, baby. Woohoo! I am maxed out. I'm the complete, like, badass now. You are gonna rue the day when you shot my helicopter down, Mr. Revolver Man. Okay, so this turned into a way longer thing than I was expecting. But I got the beautiful, sexy katana. But using it will have to wait till the next episode. So I'm going to build a bed and save right here, and I will pick it up right back here whenever I record the next one. So, save game. I do not want to lose all that progress. Thank you everybody so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.